Meaning of EMS.
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 EMS. EMS stands for Emergency Medical Services. It refers to the specialized medical care and transport provided to individuals who require immediate attention due to a medical condition or injury. EMS personnel are highly trained professionals who work in ambulance services, fire departments, hospitals, and other healthcare facilities. They play a crucial role in providing life-saving interventions, such as administering CPR, stabilizing patients on the scene, and transporting them to the appropriate medical facility. EMS systems have been developed worldwide to ensure that emergency medical care is accessible and available to all individuals in need.